Hi everyone, I'm Daphne from Content, and today I'm going to walk you through the 7 most common problems with AI generated content and exactly how to fix them so you can actually get results you're proud to publish. Let's start with the biggest challenge: AI generated content that feels too generic. This happens when the prompt is too vague. If you just say, write a LinkedIn post about social media tips, you'll get something that reads like a high school essay, safe, predictable, and forgettable. Instead, give AI more to work with. Add audience details, the goal of the post, examples, and the tone you want. A better prompt would be, write a 150-word LinkedIn post aimed at small business owners in the food and beverage industry. The post should explain how Instagram Reels can help promote new menu items or special offers. Use a casual, encouraging tone, similar to how a friendly marketing consultant would talk. Start with a question to hook the reader. Include one real-world example of a cafe or restaurant that successfully used Reels to showcase a new product. Add a short call to action at the end that encourages readers to try Reels for their own business. The style should be warm and approachable, avoiding technical jargon. Keep sentences short and easy to read, and write as if you're speaking directly to the reader. See how much more useful and specific that is? The clearer you are, the better the output will be. On top of this, always scan for AI cliches. Things like unlock the potential, cutting edge, or in today's fast-paced world. Replace them with words your audience would actually use. Keep a personal ban list of generic terms to avoid. Next up, AI translations that just sound off. This happens because AI often does literal translations without cultural nuance. For example, translating "it's raining cats and dogs" word for word into another language makes zero sense to locals. So here's what to do instead. Treat AI as your first draft. Use it to get a quick translation, but always have a native speaker refine it. At Content, we use AI for speed, but rely on local linguists to make sure the copy feels authentic always. So a Spanish translator might turn rain check into "lo dejamos para otra ocasión," which is what people would actually say. 3. What about AI copy that sounds robotic and stiff? This often happens when you give the AI a very straightforward prompt without any guidance on tone or style. If you simply type, write a post announcing our bakery's opening hours, you'll probably get something like, our bakery is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. To make it sound more natural, add details about the vibe you want. For example, say, write a friendly, inviting post for our bakery's Instagram that shares our opening hours and encourages people to stop by for breakfast. Now the AI is more likely to write something like, doors open at 8, come grab a warm croissant and a fresh coffee to start your day right. Same information, but way more engaging because you've given the AI a better sense of tone and audience. Another quick fix? Read the copy out loud. If it feels awkward or overly formal when spoken, it needs a rewrite. Try mixing short, punchy sentences with a few longer ones for a more natural flow. Another huge issue is AI content that doesn't match your brand voice. The reason? AI hasn't seen enough of your past content in order to imitate it. So you need to train it by giving real examples from your brand, like your blog posts, social posts, emails, and clear brand guidelines. Say you run a bold, witty fashion brand. If you give AI examples like life's too short for boring shoes, it will understand your tone and produce copy like step into Monday like it's the runway. Without that context, you'd just get something bland like buy our shoes today. After generating content, run through a simple brand voice checklist. Does it use contractions? Is it in first or third person? Is it too wordy or full of buzzwords? This keeps everything consistent with your style. Then there's the problem of AI making things up, what's called hallucination. While the technology is getting better at providing sources if you ask for them, in general, AI is not searching the web for facts. It's predicting text. So you have to fact check everything. If AI tells you Pinterest has 800 million users, you need to confirm that number before publishing. A good workflow is to generate the draft, highlight any data points, then verify each one with a reliable source. It takes a couple extra minutes, but it's very much worth it. If your content includes stats or industry-specific info, it's even better to provide the exact sources you want AI to use. This reduces the chance of inaccurate information sneaking in. You can also add a specific instruction in your prompt for the AI not to make up any numbers. One more challenge is that AI doesn't always follow complex instructions. If you ask for a blog post that's 700 words, uses 5 examples, has a friendly tone, and ends with a call to action, there's a good chance it will skip something. Instead, break the task down. First, ask AI to create an outline. Next, have it write each section, giving specific, more detailed prompts for each section. Finally, ask it to add examples and polish the tone. You'll get a more complete and consistent piece of content this way. And remember, don't just accept the first version AI gives you. Tweak the copy, add your own perspective, and inject personal stories or brand-specific examples to make it stand out. AI gives you a solid draft, but your voice is what makes it unique. These are the exact fixes we use at VeriContent, and they're all laid out step by step in our free AI content toolkit that you can find on our website, and there's also a link to download your copy in the description if you want to check it out. AI is powerful, but it's not a set it and forget it tool. The best results happen when you guide it with context, review the output, and add that final personal touch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips and insights. Thank you.